Hi friends, welcome to Rasa Will Swai. Today I am going to make aloo jhol. For that I have taken a big aloo, peeled and cut 2 small size tomato, 1 medium size onion, salt, oil, 3 garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger and green chili finely chopped, little bit of methi seeds, cumin seeds, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala. If you want, you can add amchur powder or you can add lime juice and coriander leaves for garnishing. This you can serve it along with puri, rice, chapati, luchi, etc. This dish is from Uttar Pradesh. Jhol means a thin gravy. You can make it spicy. We eat less spice, so I am reducing the spice level. You can add according to your requirement. Either you can make puree of tomato or you can finely chop and put it in the kadai for making the gravy. If you are using tomato puree, you can add a 1/4 cup of puree. One tablespoon of oil. A pinch of asafoetida also. Cumin seeds. When it crackles, add the methi seeds also. This is done. Now we'll add the ginger garlic green chili in it. You can use ginger garlic green chili paste also, 3/4 teaspoon. Now add the onion into it. Saute the same till it is translucent. In the meantime, you can chop the tomatoes or make a puree of tomato. This is done. Now we'll add the tomato puree into this. Give a good mix. Cook the same till it starts leaving the sides of the kadai. This is done. Now we will add the coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder in it. Mix well. In my recipes, oil, salt, spice will be less always because we eat less of these items. So according to your requirement, you can increase it. Now we'll add 1.25 cup of water in this. Salt, the potatoes, I forgot to add the asafoetida. I'm just putting 3-4 drops of asafoetida water. Now mix this well. Cover and cook. Either you can pressure cook this or cook it directly in the kadai. You can also boil the potato, cut and put it in the gravy. Today I am going to make Kerala paratha. So I am going to serve this along with that Kerala paratha. This has come to a boil. Now we will cover and cook this till the potatoes are cooked. The aloo jol is ready here. Now we'll add the garam masala into this. Mix well. Add the coriander leaves. If you want, you can add a pinch of sugar in it. So this is perfect. We'll switch off the gas. The perfect aloo jol is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.